Math. The word that gave us nightmares in school. The monster that killed childhood dreams. The reason we stared at the ceiling at 3 a.m. thinking, why am I alive? You remember sitting in an exam hall looking at the first question like it was written in alien language? Yeah, same. X plus Y equals Y? But what if I told you math is actually easy? No, I'm not drunk. Yet, here's the truth. We didn't hate math because it was hard. We hated the way it was taught. Teachers treated it like an ancient spell. They'd walk in, write a 10-foot formula, and say, memorize this or fail. No why, no story, just boom. And then they said, you'll need this in real life. Really? Last time I bought onions, I didn't need trigonometry to figure out the price. But here's reality. Math isn't scary. It's just patterns and shortcuts. You already use math every day. Counting money after buying snacks? That's math. Checking if the shopkeeper scammed you out of 5 rupees? Math again. Algebra? Chill, it's just numbers playing hide and seek with letters. And calculus? People make it sound like rocket science, but it's just measuring tiny changes. Like how fast your weight goes up after a week of biryani. You step on the scale, see plus 2 kilograms per week, and scream, limits exceeded. The real problem? Math isn't evil. It's just bad at communication. You text math, hey, can we be friends? Math replies with square root of the integral of dx. Like, bro, what language is this? And those exam questions. Find x. So you circle x and write, here it is. Teacher face palms. Parents cry. You start considering farming, but listen. You're not dumb. If you can figure out which Netflix series to binge next, you can solve problems. That's literally math, logic, choices, consequences. So stop saying I'm bad at math. You're just bad at surviving boring explanations. We've all been there, watching a video called Math in 5 Minutes, and 5 hours later still confused and questioning life. Here's the thing. Math is easy when you play the game right. Start small. Understand the logic. Don't panic when you see Greek letters. Math is just trying to look fancy. Once you see the fun side, you'll realize math is everywhere. In games, cooking recipes, even figuring out if you can afford that extra pizza slice. Next time you see a scary equation, don't cry. Just say, bring it on. Imagine punching that equation in slow motion like an action hero. Boom. Problem solved. And when you finally get it, that feeling. Better than hitting a 6 in cricket. Better than finding extra fries in your McDonald's bag. So yeah, math isn't a monster. It's a tool. Use it like a boss. Once you understand it, you'll flex math facts at parties like, did you know pi is irrational? Everyone claps. You walk away like a legend. Because here's the truth. Math doesn't make life harder. Math makes life make sense. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how to make it even easier without tears or trauma.